Yangkhullen. Exploring Manipur. July 2022, Saturday. Save the date. We will be riding there. All bikers, all scooty riders, all can join. All are invited. 136 kilometers from Kangla Gate. Pack your lunch and breakfast. 5 am starting, 1 day trip, 7 pm returning at Kangla Gate. Yangkhullen situated here. This is the road which we have to take. It is about 136 kilometers from Kangla Gate. There is no donation, no collection. Self-petrol, self-vehicles. Make yourself freedom. No terms and conditions. It's all yours. Witness yourself this beauty. 30th July 2022, Saturday. Enjoy yourself witnessing the beauty. No seat limitation, everyone welcome, your choice, your trip, your vehicle. Prepare yourself. We will be live at Kangla Gate. July Saturday 5 am at Kangla Gate. Let's go Yangkhullen.